Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be looking at the basics of the Arduino IDE. So we'll be learning some important functions in the IDE and some important settings that we need to set before we can program our Arduino board. So here in the IDE you will first see the coding area or the code editor. In that there are two predefined functions. The first one is the void setup and second is the void loop. So the setup function runs every time the Arduino is powered up or is resetted. So basically everything inside this first executed when the Arduino powers up, and after that the control goes to the loop function, and whatever is inside the loop function runs repeatedly, as it's like a while one loop or an infinite loop. So it keeps on running until the Arduino is powered off. So basically all the pin configurations are done in the setup function and the main code goes in the loop function. You can also do variable initialization here in the setup function. Okay, so now you can see at the top are two buttons. The first one is to verify your code and the second is to upload your code. Another way to upload your code or verify your code is from the sketch menu. You can see you can verify it from here and upload it from here. So the verify button is used to check your code for any errors, and once your code is error free you can burn it or you can upload it on your Arduino board using this upload button. Then here is a files section. In this you can create a new sketch or a new code. You can open a recent code or one which you have downloaded as an example. Also you can save the code from here. Then you will find a tools section. Now this is an important section. In this you can use some debugging tools like the serial monitor, serial plotter, and then the two more important section are the board section and the port section. So once your code is ready, you have to make sure that you have selected the right board. That is, if you are using an Arduino Uno, make sure you have selected Arduino Uno as the board, and the port, that is the port to which your Arduino is connected to. So do make sure that you have connected your Arduino. If you haven't connected your Arduino, you won't see the port section here. It will be disabled. So once you connect your Arduino, you just have to select the right port this way, and then you are good to program and upload your code on your Arduino board. So let's take a small example. I'll just use an inbuilt function called as pin mode to configure pin 13 as an output. So we'll be looking into these inbuilt functions in the future videos, but for this example I'm just writing this line. Then when I click the verify button, you can see the code got compiled and there were no errors, so it says done compile. But if I remove the semicolon, then I create an error, and when I compile it, you can see it says that a semicolon was expected before this bracket. So basically before this bracket here it was expected. So when I add the semicolon, my code is compiled. So these were all the basics you need to know about the Arduino IDE. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found something helpful in this video, do like and share. Thank you for watching.